Hi guys, welcome back to Cheers. Today I'm going to be doing a demo on the PMD Pro Physical Exfoliator, and if you guys want to see how to use this product, then just keep watching. Okay, so I got the PMD Pro mainly because it was on sale for like 50% off at Ulta, and the pink color is real cute, as you can see here. And in the packaging, it comes with two heads here. And the smaller hole, which is this one right here, is the one that you use for your face, whereas this one you can actually use for your body. And then it also comes with a filter that you put into here, like this little disc thing that basically catches all of your nastiness. And it also comes with about like a 3 feet cord or so that you actually have to plug in, so it's not something that you can just charge up and use on the go. It's something that you have to use with a cord. And it also comes with a little baggie filled with something called discs. And these guys are the discs. This one again is for your body if you want to do some exfoliating maybe on your arms right here. And then this small one is going to be for your face. There's different colors and they're each supposed to mean like a different exfoliating amount, like the aggression of it. So it goes from lightest to darkest, and I first started out with the gray, which is what they recommend to do, and then I've moved on now to the blue, which has a little bit more exfoliating power. So you just basically take the disc and you pop it in and you'll hear like a little click, which means it's in. And since I'm going to be doing my face, I'll pop in the one with the smaller hole. And they say to just go over this in a pretty quick manner, like once per part. But when I get to the nose area, I found that I don't do just like one stroke. I actually just kind of go in like this in circular motions around the area. Otherwise, it just doesn't feel clean. If you go too long, I found that it could exfoliate too much. So when you apply your foundation, it actually applies unevenly because there's a layer of skin that's more exfoliated than others. So like it kind of catches to the layer, like, or the divot of your skin that's exfoliated more. Obviously, I already cleansed my face and washed it, so I am makeup free and looking bootamus. So I will just give it a shot now and show you. It's easier if you kind of pull your skin and just go at it. Don't forget the jawline. And I like to kind of feel around my nose to see if there's any bumps or anything that's like come out from exfoliating. And if it's really bumpy, then I'll kind of continue working on that area. But if I continue working on any other part of my face, like here, then I notice that it just is too exfoliated. But I found that for me personally, going in with my nose, it's okay. And you want to be able to apply a good amount of pressure to the skin for the suction to actually kind of catch right here and cover that lid. Therefore, it will actually suction up your nastiness and crustiness and exfoliate better. The first time I did it, I was trying to move too fast, so I didn't put enough pressure, and so I found that it didn't really do a good job of exfoliating. But as I kept using it, I've found like a good amount of pressure that I put onto my own skin, as well as a speed. You don't want to go super slow, otherwise it's too exfoliating, so just find a speed that kind of works for you and your skin, as well as the pressure. Before using the product as well, I would recommend testing a spot on your arm and practicing on there. That's what they also recommend on PMD as well as the Ulta website. So just take one of the bigger discs here along with that bigger suction head and just give it a test run on your arm first, so that you don't have like any major breakouts or anything like that on your face. But yeah, so after you are done using it, there's obviously going to be some crustiness on your skin from the physical exfoliation. So what you want to do is then go and rinse your face off. So I'm going to go do that and be right back. Okay, so now my face is cleansed and rinsed and feeling super soft. I've been loving this product. and I think it's been giving me more of an evenness to my skin. I don't know if you can tell if you've been a long-term follower, but I definitely think that my skin tone has gotten way better. Same with my texture. My pores have been feeling just all around better. So I've been really liking this product that I've been using for about like a little over a month now, so highly recommend. And before I let you guys go, the last thing that I personally like to do, I don't think most other people do this, but I do recommend that you go in with a cotton pad, and I'm just going to go in with my Clinique toner. I'm kind of particular about leaving any left behind residue when I exfoliate, or do go in with like a charcoal mask, because I feel like if there's anything left over on your skin, then that might just infect it and like cause acne. I don't know if that's an actual thing, but that's just me being particular. So I like to go in with a cotton pad as my final step and just make sure that my face is fully cleansed and toned. And yeah, that's how I use the PMD Pro Physical Exfoliator. If you guys want to see a full review on my thoughts on the product, then leave it in the comment section below. And as usual, cheers to a good week. Bye guys!